Hello friend, welcome to InfoSphere YouTube channel. This video detailing about by how to turn AI into your social media assistant when seasonality strikes. So let's start my video. How to turn AI into your social media assistant when seasonality strikes. Table of content. Understanding the role of an AI social media assistant. Key areas where you can turn AI into your social media assistant. Use AI as a virtual assistant to support seasonality on social media. Create guidelines for your AI social media assistant strategy. Turn AI into your social media assistant when seasonality strikes. According to Sprouts, the social media productivity report, social media marketers spend an average of 40 hours per week on managing tasks, with some clocking in over 60 hours. Plus 63% of social media marketers report feeling burnout, and this is during the regular non-peak season. Now imagine this workload when seasonality strikes. Heightened activity, increased content demands, and constant audience engagement make it hard even for the most experienced marketers. Are hiring temporary help isn't always feasible, cost effective, or time efficient. You need to flexible, scalable, and dependable way to handle to search its workload. This is where AI can step in as the ultimate social media assistant. Using AI as a social media assistant can minimize repetitive tasks. Plus, it can help you plus post and get real time data and adjust to seasonal changes, so you have more time on focus on strategy and creativity. Read on the see how you can use AI and automations as a social media assistant, especially during busy seasons. Understanding the role of an AI social media assistant. When you handle a tedious task with a less efforts, you are free times to mental space to focus on high impact tasks. You the drive growth and innovation times. The faint rule AI should play a partner working tirelessly behind the scenes of streamline your workflows and boost efficiency. AI improves your social media strategy by amplifying the professional touch. Is enable you to engage more meaningfully with your audience while taking care of behind the scenes tasks to keep everything running smoothly. This means more times for you to craft personalized contents, build authentic relationship with your audience, and achieve the best result during peak or seasons. Plus, engagement peaks during the end of year's holiday season. So this is truly the time when relevant, relatable interactions are key to boosting brand loyalty and sales opportunities. Turning AI into your personal assistant of social media is essential during busy seasons, because seasonal campaign also increase content creations needs crafting holiday themes, post promotional offers, or scheduling time sensitive announced. Audience engagement increased too as followers flood channel with questions about shipping times, product availability, special offers, and personalized recommendations. As you share more holiday related content and offers, user generated content, UGC comments and questions also flood in. All of this require timely responses to maintain customer satisfaction and keep engagement level high. Example of AI in action during busy seasons. Chatbox. Chatbox can be perfect customer service partner during busy seasons. For example, Domino's AI chatbot known as Dom enables customer to place pizza order using various platforms including Facebook Messenger, Twitter, and Amazon Echo. The chatbot simplifies order by allowing customer to place, track, and customize order through conversational text or voice commands. This automation is particularly helpful during peak seasons like holidays or gap night, reducing customer wait times to increasing order accuracy. Meanwhile, the Starbucks engage its audience with the holiday themes content, beginning with the fall provides such as the pumpkin spice drink. This peak movement need more attention and quickly results. This makes AI critical tools and effectively manage social media, ensuring no comments and aspires the brand remains the SER offense. Content creation. According to the social media report, 30% of social media marketers still handle content creations and approvals manually, which limits their ability to focus on high impact work. AI can be a valuable ally on this front. While AI isn't ideal for creating final draft, it can be a great starting point. It can by general content use ideas, draft caption, and suggest relevant hashtags, providing foundations itself can refine and personalize during peak seasons. This supports become even more crucial, helping with fill calendar gaps and keep the content flowing without compromising quality. Content curation relevant high quality content for your audience is time consuming and requires shifting thought. Countless articles, post and media. This is another arena where AI can help you by quick, quickly identify trending topics, gathering industry relevant content, and even suggestion piece that align with your audience interest. AI can analyze a large amount of data from various sources and highlights valuable context to share on social media. This helps you maintain an active social presence, especially during busy periods. Optimize your content schedule. Even the most compelling social content is the way outcomes is the not posted set the engagement you drive better your compare results. But how do you know when the there's AI tools can help you that? For example, Sprout optimal spend times futures, simpler scheduling by analyze your audience behavior pattern your and past engagement data. It's recommended best times to post, ensuring your connect with your audience. They are most likely to interact. This automation ensures your content consistently align with peak engagement period, maximizing the impact of every post. Social listening involves understanding that being the set about your brand, product, or industry across social channels. With more innovations in AI, this process becomes even more efficient and insightful. For example, Sprout the listening and insight. Meanwhile, the Speclight alert notify your teams and sudden change in engagement or sentiment, allowing your proactive responses during critical movement. Additionally, memorized by AI assistant and AI can help you consist large database and clear actionable summarize so you can quickly identify important trends. This combination is the tools ensures crisis manners messages in tags and classification. AI powered sentiment analysis combined with direct messages attentions. Sprout and specials customers care ensures and important attractions overlooks the faster spread gather content ideas on demand. When social calendars and packets are helped to the times responding to your high traffic periods. Moreover, AI tools the brand quickly adapt to the trending topics by tracking real-time trending hashtags, providing actionable reactions. Automate seasonal reporting when no much data come with the during busiest period. Manually compelling report can be here are the some actionable steps and successful AI assistant strategy. Decide and AI will help you. A pupil will on before adopting AI. Define is the rule versus those are required human touch. AI is excellent for social media tasks. Your team is themselves to with the tool capabilities. Monitor AI performance activities. Turn AI into your social media assistant when seasonality strikes. As seasonal demands ramp up, knowing how to use AI for social media can make all the difference by providing scalable solutions. Turning AI into your social media assistants allow you to shift their focus to high impact activities and strategic decision making, driving greater results during peak period. AI is the automation tools like Sprout can handle a huge chunk of your more tedious social media activities, streamlining our routine tasks and ensuring a consistent social presence even during busy period. Explore our AI marketing resources toolkit to make the most of AI for your brand. सो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.